Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Black Beauty is dirty. Good. Man. What's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Money. I'm back with another daggone video. So today, you guys, let me go ahead and just tell y'all, I gotta get ready to get her back. Hold on, my camera like messed up a little bit. All right, besides all that, Black Beauty is dirty. I haven't driven her because I've been going to work. But you guys, I got a lot of things to tell you, all right? I'm about to go to Family Dollar. I gotta go get something. But I'm disappointed. But I feel like it's this. Let me see. Put it like that, with that. Boom. I'm disappointed, but I feel like it's the best decision for me, for my finances and stuff like that. Hopefully nobody takes offense to it. But hey, shout out to everybody that been really following the channel and stuff like that. Hey man, we had 6,000 like views on the 300, the first gen versus second gen. Man, that video was lit. That was a very fun video to record. Shout out to my man, excuse me. Shout out to my man, Mr. 300. Got a little flam in the throat, you know, the allergy season over here. All right, but shout out to my man over there, man. We got some more 300 gang stuff coming soon, all right? It's coming real soon. I've been talking to a few fellas, and I'm gonna have to coordinate it. This weekend, I'm gonna have to coordinate it and see what everybody's doing, because we're gonna get some more 300 content. But besides all that, welcome to the Grizzly Gang. If you're new to the Grizzly Gang, if you're new to watching this channel, if you're new to Grizzly Marty, my name is Grizzly Marty. What's up, y'all? All right, this is my 300, all right? And her name is Black Beauty, and she sound like this. Oh, I messed up. Embarrassed. Hold on, she sound like this. Listen to how she sang. Sing, baby. About 5 minutes or so, you know. I'm gonna let her warm up, see what's going on. But y'all, if you don't know, now you know. All right, y'all, so one thing I have to tell you, oh yeah, shout out to everybody that was out there in SRT car meet. I met a few subscribers to me too. They said they see my 300 online. I was like, you subscribe? They like, yeah. I like, hey, I bet you 300 gang then. Man, she sounded aggressive. Nobody better check my parking spot too when I come back, because I ain't gonna be going that long. But I'm gonna go ahead and just talk. I just want to talk to y'all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna talk in the car, man. I'm gonna talk in the car. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna talk in the car. All right, I got my mask, man. Hey, but if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every goddamn day. You heard me? Every goddamn day. All right. Network. Not with, yeah, I'm gonna delete that. But yeah, let me go ahead and talk to y'all, man. I gotta go get something from Family Dollar real quick. I'm gonna chop it up with my Grizzly Gang real quick. Don't forget, watch all the ads, help your boy out, give me some revenue, cause this is gonna be about it, you know. It's gonna be what about I can't do. You know, I want to do it, but I can't do it. All right, so here we go. About, let me roll my windows up so y'all can hear me. I'm gonna keep them down just a little bit so you can hear the exhaust. Of course you can hear it inside the car too, because she is loud. But y'all, this is about my 300. So I was planning on, let me see, let's push it. Alright, slow down. I'm trying to hurry up though. Of course somebody gonna jump in front. That's what they do. But my plan was to get the BC coilovers, y'all. So I had the coilovers. They was coming to me, but I declined the payment, and they're getting shipped back. Reason why I did that, because I can get the BC coilovers, but it wouldn't be right with my finances, the stuff that I got going on, the stuff I want to bring to the channel. It would kind of take away from the other content that I would want to bring to the channel, you know. So look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Idiot. Driving a Chevy too. Driving a Chevy. Yeah, I got you on camera, big dog. Just jumped down in the front. You saw me about to turn and doing all that, but took me off my thought and everything. Goodness, man. People just don't know how to drive. But y'all, I won't be able to do it due to the things that I want to bring to the channel, and the stuff I will be bringing to the channel, and the stuff I want to get for my family. So it will be kind of pretty much taken away from all the things that I want to get. So I'm not going to do that move. I had it, but I just thought about it. I was like, it's $999. It's $995 for a complete set. So it's pretty much $1,000. I was going to just $1,000 just to lower my car when I can get some e-box for what, $300, and I can continue with the content because I need somebody to install it. Of course, my boy Charles is going to do it, but that's $1,000 for that, and I get this. It's more money that I'll be spending just to, you know, to style my car. I'm still going to get the BC coilovers, but it won't be right now. You know, I'm a beginner YouTuber, so I had to do things with my money. Also, YouTube ain't paying me, you know, that much. They give me something, but they ain't paying me that much. So unfortunately, I won't be able to get the BC coilovers, but I will be getting the e-box springs, you guys. So I'm sorry for those who feel like I lied and stuff like that. No, I wanted to get them, and I still will get them. It just wasn't right with my finances. I actually had them, and they was coming in the mail. They was shipped and everything, but I had to decline it and get my money back. I called them up and told them, yeah, I won't be able to do it. I don't have to explain myself to anybody. I wouldn't be able to do it, but it's not right with my finances that I have to do now. I had to make a grown man decision. I still can get the look of my car with it lowered and stuff like that. Yes, it won't be the BC coilovers. I feel like the coilovers would be a better fit for the 300, but I would just have to get the springs just for right now, because I definitely want to bring this car to car meets, and I definitely want the look. And I know the springs do give you some type of support with the lowering, with the handling and stuff. Not as good as the BC coilovers, but it will do something. So something is good enough for me. All right. But I definitely 100% want the BC coilovers, man. I'm set on it. I'm kind of disappointed, but I ain't got chicken like that. I ain't got the money like that, y'all. I have money, but I don't have money to just be throwing it away. I got other things I gotta worry about. You feel me? So so the springs will be coming, and then it'll be back mods, pretty much like that. I was really saving up for the daggone things, and it just wouldn't be the right thing. So I can use that $1,000 that I'm getting, you know, what I have, you know, and I can get lowering springs. I can also put a down payment on some rims and tires and stuff like that, because I use my credit card and I pay my stuff off, you know, with the job that I work off, and with YouTube I pay it off really fast, which is really cool, and it helps bring the content and continue the content and stuff like that. You just got to know how to do like the business, and I know the money that I bring in, I don't want it to be overpowered. Like the stuff that I buy, I don't want to overpower the stuff that I'm bringing in, you know. Keep buying things for $1,000, because I was gonna get the RAM, I was gonna get the this and that is up there, you know. So I don't think that would be the smart choice for me and for the beginning of my channel to continue to create content for you guys and then stuff like that. So I'm making a business decision, man. I feel like I'm making the right decision. Hopefully y'all not disappointed in the decision that I made, but I have nothing to explain myself why I need this. I want to get it, but it won't be right for me. Y'all don't know the stuff that I pay and the things like that. See, when you are in the car world, y'all, don't be influenced by people. You see people have stuff, sometimes you just gotta move a little slower. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Sometimes slower wins the race. All right, but in this case, that's what I gotta do. Unfortunately, hey, but it's gonna look good, you guys. I promise. I'm really that car type person. I really have that car brain to get my car looking good, looking decent, looking how she looking and all that stuff. Man, there's so many people. I forgot the Amish market is open today. Got the Amish market, but yeah, that's the bad news that I had to bring to you guys. So I'm sorry about that, but we will be having more content because we have a lot more things going on. I'm going to be traveling. in a few weeks, and hopefully I can do a meet and greet in one of these states that I'm going through. Shout out if anybody's in Indiana, shout out. If you're in Ohio, Columbus, Ohio, shout out, because those will be the 2 places I will be going. All right, so let's go ahead and I'll be right back. Get this thing out of Family Dollar. All right, I'm back. I got a surprise for y'all too. Y'all haven't seen what I brought to the house, but I will be introducing little man to y'all in a few. We're just trying to figure out if we're gonna keep it or not. Oh dang, look at this man. I know I'm on it. But y'all, I just wanted to chop it up with y'all. I always want to keep y'all in the loop with everything that's going on with my build. I would never try to lie to, you know, my Grizzly game. I always try to keep it 100, man. Hey, pockets ain't like that, bro. So I gotta take a cut on some stuff, you know? That's fine and dandy. Had to do all my life. But one thing I love though is 300. I love my 300, man. Hey, y'all, man, this is one of the best daggone cars you can ever get. I'm telling you, if you get the Charger or the anything Mopar, go ahead and get it. Mopar or no car, yeah. Shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to everybody, man. Oh, man. Put a smile on my face. So she gonna be sitting pretty, you know. She go ahead and e-box and stuff like that. But we gonna be riding good. I heard the e-box are just as well. It's that a smooth ride and stuff like that. That's all I'm worried about, is having not a bumpy, crazy ride. If it is, I'm gonna sell them J's and I'm gonna give back. I'm gonna do a review on them things and everything, man. Y'all gonna see everything, cause you know how I am. I'm real technical when I get into the car stuff. Sometimes if I'm really like real finny, and I'm somewhat of a picky person when it comes to car stuff. If I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you I don't like it, bro. I'm gonna tell you. If it don't fit my car, I'm gonna tell you it don't fit my car. So I'm gonna be straight up about everything. That's just how I am. I don't really, as you see, I really don't edit like that hard. I do edit some stuff. Sometimes I mess up and things like that, but I go straight through with everything. So that's what I do, man. I don't sugarcoat nothing. You see it. What you see is you see me. You see Grizzly Marty, you see me. All right, that's what you're gonna see. Yeah, but I'm home, y'all. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single daggone day. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hopefully I get them springs too, man. I need them springs. I'm gonna try to order them on the weekend. Hopefully they come like in the midweek, and we can have that video next week or something like that. Yeah, that'd be real cool. So I'll see y'all. Peace.